everyone, it's Allison here with New Little Life. Today I'm going to unbox the Elvie breast pump for you. I'm going to show you everything it comes with and give you a basic setup instructions on how to put it together, how it works. Let's jump right in. Actually, before we get started, I just want to tell you really quick about my private Facebook group. It is a group designed to help you choose the best breast pump for you. So there's not really a one-size-fits-all breast pumps. You know that if you've been on my channel, there's tons of breast pump stuff on here. But we can help you over in that group. The link is in the description. Okay, the Elvie Pump. Now, I actually have already opened this and played with it a little bit, even tried it once. But I put it all back together and I wanted to show you actually what was inside because there's some cool stuff in this pump that I have not seen in other pumps. This is my favorite part. Look how cool. It's like floating. I don't know why I thought that was so cool, but 10 points for Elvie for awesome packaging. There's your two pumps. These pumps already come with it all assembled with one of the flanges in there. There's extra flanges in here as well though. Let me show you. So you've got your basic instructions and then here is what is underneath. So you've got an extra set of flanges. Now these are actually a different size. Look how cool they are. They're all see-through. I actually really like that they're see-through. It helps a lot with nipple placement. These ones are a little bit bigger. I'm thinking these are about 28 millimeter size. The ones on here are closer to 24 millimeter, which is like the average size of stuff. You've got two extra of those, which means it also includes two of the extra bottles. Also comes with two little bags that you can put your pumps in, which is really cool. It comes with 4 bottle lids, and that is so that you can, after you're done pumping, you can take off the bottle. You'll have to remove the flange there. You can put the lid on it, and then you can put that straight in the fridge. And then if you want to deal with your milk later, you can. These bottles hold 150 milliliters, which is 5 ounces. They don't hold any more than that. That's the max. So it looks like a small container, but it actually holds 5 ounces is really standard for a bottle size for pumps. It also comes with 2 charging cables, which is awesome. And the best part, USB. Now they don't come with a brick, but you've got a million bricks. I know you do. Or you can also charge them in your car, on your laptop. We're overseas, so I'm gonna plug it into my European brick with the USB, so I don't have to worry about dual voltage or anything. And there's 2 of them. So you can charge both pumps at the same time, which is awesome. And then the last thing in here are these, and these are little nursing bra extenders, which is really cool. So with the Elvie, you can use your favorite nursing bra that you're already wearing. If you need a little bit more room in there, you can put this extender in and make that strap a little bit longer. I've pumped with these before and I have not had to do that. My bra was accommodating enough. But if it's not, or if you're worried about like stretching it out, use one of these. It came with 4, so that's really cool. Okay, so let's dive into kind of the setup and all the little details about this pump. Okay, so with the Elvie, you've got 3 main pieces. You've got the motor, which is this part. Here's the controls that it's got on the top. It's got a power, a plus and minus for the suction, and then also down here is a right and left button. If you're using the app to track it, you can tell it which side you've got this on. So if you got it on the left, you can click it over to the left so you can track it. You can also use the app to do all of the switching. It will also keep track of how much milk you have pumped so far. It will tell you when you're full. I've pumped twice with this now, and I filled it up both times. One time the app did tell me it was full and shut off, and I was like, it's only been 8 minutes. Why is this thing shutting off? But it was actually because the bottle was full. Second time, it did not tell me that it was full and milk started leaking out. So, technology. And then you've got the bottle. So this is the bottle that it comes with. On the bottle, you've got a little valve and then the cap. So you'll have to take that all apart to wash it, as well as the flange, the next piece here. But it's pretty easy to assemble. You'll put that cap on. The valve only really goes on one way, but it should look like that. And then you've got the flange. The only two pieces here are the flange part and then this backflow protector. You'll need to just rinse those and clean them the same way you're cleaning the bottle. A cool thing about this flange though that I really like, I've got to put it on here so you can see it better, is these guidelines. So you can see in here that it's got lines on the sides, also lines down in here. And that's going to help you with your nipple placement, because one of the hardest things about a wearable pump like this, not unique to Elvie, all wearable pumps, is that it's really hard to see and align things. So these lines here are designed to give you a guide, and I've actually found them to be very helpful. Cool. All of your parts need to be super dry when you assemble the Elvie or it's not going to work right. So just keep that in mind. The flange and the backflow protector go in right in here, and it just snaps in really easy. The bottle assembled all how we've got it goes right on the bottom. It clicks in. When you're done, there's a button here that's the release for the bottle. And that's what it looks like all set up. The Elvie has a really sleek and low profile design, one of the thinnest that I've seen in pumps like this, which I think is really cool. It takes about 2 hours to charge the pump. You can do a quick 15-minute charge if you need to just get in one pump session before. You can do a quick 15-minute charge if you need to sneak in just one pumping session, which I've done before and it worked fine. I've actually put the Elvie on and let you listen to the sound in another video, and I'll put a link up top for you so you can check that out. But this is also one of the quietest pumps that I've ever seen or worked with, so that's another huge pro for the Elvie. Now you can see this setup, it's wearable, and you might be tempted to wander around and do a lot of crazy stuff while you're pumping, but this is a plastic container, okay? So it has to have an air vent to get air out while it's pumping. So if you bend over or you move around too much while you're pumping, it's probably going to leak. And that's probably the biggest user complaint with the Elvie pump, is that it leaks a little bit. If all of your parts are dry though, and you're not moving around in crazy ways, it should have no problems. But you do have to stay pretty stationary and upright to use this pump. One little tip I would like to share about the Elvie with you is that when you've assembled it, you need to make sure that your valve in there is not stuck. So here it is stuck on that little lip you can see. Sorry if it's not very clear on the video, but you should be able to see a little bit of space. Now you can see a little bit of space down on the bottom, where before that valve was kind of stuck under that lip. So if you're having suction issues, make sure that that valve is free to move and do what it needs to do. So far, I've loved this pump and I'm super excited to keep using it. There's gonna be lots more videos on it on my channel, comparing it with other pumps, just this pump itself, so subscribe and check those out. Don't forget about that Facebook group we talked about at the beginning. You can also find me on Instagram. I love being over there. That's where I share some of my more real life stuff. I have a new little baby, so I'm pumping and doing all that fun stuff right with you. Anyway, we'll see you on the next video.